Hello everyone. Hope you all have watched the previous video on matter. So we know there are lots of matter in this world. We can classify those matters based on their make, state and properties. Today we will discuss states of matters. So let's start. State of matter means a distinct form of matter in which matter exists, like water is in liquid state. All matters can be classified into three states of matters, that are solid, liquid and gases. Now let's understand solid state. Solid is the state in which matter has definite shape and definite volume. For an example, we can take an ice cube. Everyone know an ice cube has a definite size, definite shape and definite volume. We know it is very hard. Do you know why? Because in solid state, molecules are very closely packed. That is why in solid state, matter are hard and rigid. Now, let's learn about liquid state. Liquid is the state in which matter has definite volume but does not have definite shape. For an example, if we pour 1 liter water into a bottle, then the water will take the shape of that bottle. And if we pour the same 1 liter water into an urn, we will see the water will take the shape of that urn. This is because molecules in liquid state are loosely packed and they move much freely than the solid state. Now let's learn about gases. Gases is the state in which the matter neither have definite shape nor definite volume. For an example, if we lit a dhoop and cover it with a vessel, we will see the smell, means the gas will be stuck into the vessel only. Now if we take away the vessel, then we will see the smell of the dhoop will be all over the room. Do you know why? This is because molecules in gases are very loosely packed and they are very much free from each other. So now you know what is gas, liquid and solid state. So have a nice day. Bye bye.